Hello, it's Donna from Enchanted Gardens again, and today I want to share with you my Gleditsia tree. I'm going to prune him today. I am a little late with this, so first of all I'd just like to show you the tools that I would and could use. So these are some very lightweight loppers. I've got a lot of arthritis in my hands, so I need something that works for me. If I needed to go through any wood with a circumference bigger than the loppers would go through, I would use a pruning saw, and I would always go over this blade with something to sterilise it in case of bacterial infection. And ever faithful secateurs, my millionth pair. So what I'd like to say is I don't prune as per the books. I don't prune from anywhere other than my mind's eye and what I visually see. So I put this tree in as a 3-litre plant, so it was tiny, and this is probably 10 to 12 years worth. I've underplanted to match the colour of the foliage of the tree, and that's what I want to uncover. Normally I would have pruned this probably in late June, once the leaves have come back. Now what you can see this year is we've had another crazy year for weather, global warming everybody. I've got really nice leaf up to a point, and then I've got, you could say it was dieback, you could say, what it basically is the tree can get the sap and the energy up to here, and then, as with most plants this year and this season, it's having to make a decision. In order to survive, I either stop flowering or flower to set seed, because I'm obviously going to die under these conditions. Whatever way you look at it, the tree is under stress. For me, this last area of branch is stress. It's not foliated, it's not happy, it's not comfortable. And if I touch it and feel it, it doesn't feel the same. I don't want this to set as hardwood. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to zip round, I'm going to continue to speak. I always take my time with something like this, purely because you can't rush what you're seeing. And if you notice, I will continually pull back, look again, and then go back in. Never prune anything in front of you, because it's not that you will get it wrong, it's that you can't see the view. If you're gardening, an example of that, if you're gardening, you've totally weeded an area, you go back a couple of hours later and you think, how did I miss that 4-foot weed? It's because you're so close. Think of the old phrase, you can't see the wood for the trees. It really is like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to lift. I normally call this lifting the skirts, but this is a very masculine tree, so I'm not inferring that he wears a dress. So I'm going to just start on the outside, and then once I'm happy with that, I'm going to start on the lower canopy only. And that's not as simple as just hacking off the branches close to the trunk. It needs to be done with a lot more sensitivity. So I'm going to go back to, and this tree looks somewhat Japanesey, so I do like to keep that shape. So the decision of what to take from a branch is based on, I I like this tree to look somewhat, you know when the Japanese bonsai and they go for this spreading shape, like limbs coming out with space in between. Tiziano does that with cloud prune shrubs that you wouldn't normally cloud prune. Cloud pruning is layers, alternate layers with gaps in between. That's what I will be aiming for with this chap. So at the moment I'm just tidying him. I'm just going to salvage what's healthy. So I'm not working particularly on the canopy. So I look for shape and then I gently hold back. If you noticed, as I'm taking from the end of the branch, the longer they get, the heavier they get. So they tend to start bowing down anyway. That's exactly what I want. So when I say I'm lightening the load, you're literally looking for shape. Now, that's correct there. So, and remember there's so much to see. Right, so I'm still just tidying. I'm looking at what the season has done. So we've had unseasonally hot days where the canopy will have suffered. The tree wouldn't have had quite enough water. I'm not in the habit of over-watering, and if nature decides we don't get any, we don't get any. The response from the tree is all I'm interested in. So I'm just going to continue to tidy. And if you can just see that I am just looking, understanding the growth, understanding where it's come. Now look, that is too fussy. It's too busy, it's too fussy. I've got no definition. So what I will do is go into last year's wood because I prefer to see that. I would prefer to see this brand new piece of wood. That will heal, and that will be what we see, because that is draping. That's the effect I want. Now, from this angle, I can see that that isn't what I want. So I'm going to see where that branch is. So I'm going to take off. As opposed to the last cut, I'm taking off this year's growth because I want last year's growth. So what I'd really like is for development here, because I know that that is going to grow down and that is going to be that dripping, weeping aspect of this tree. So I'm going to do a slanted cut there, and you can see that's older, that's begun to set. So that's okay. Now I don't want that bit. This is far too busy. See, everything is connected and you really have to pay attention. Now I'm looking at this. I'm inclined to take a major limb. Bearing in mind I haven't even started on the under canopy. I am inclined to take two branches doing that. So now the decision is, which branch is producing the growth I like to see. So it's not just that it's crossing and that they can rub and cause a wound. I need to know what that's going to do. So I'm just going to look at it for a while, check it out, and then make that choice. You can't do this quickly.